Hi there, children. Let's learn another new special friend. Today we're going to learn another way of saying the sound E. 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 I have a picture here of two little boys winning a race. It looks like it's their sports day. They are trying their best to run as fast as they can to get to the finish line. They've got lots of friends supporting them in the back, clapping and cheering their names, and they're saying, E, go Pete and Steve! E, go Pete and Steve! E, go Pete and Steve! Excellent, well done. Let's look at our special friends, shall we? Two letters making one sound. These two letters are far too chatty to sit together. They need to sit apart. And there will always be a letter in the middle to stop them talking. E. 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 E, go Pete and Steve. E, go Pete and Steve. When you see this side, I want you to say the sound E. And when you see this side, I want you to say the picture. E, go Pete and Steve. Done, children. Excellent. Let's have a look on our sound sheet for our new sound. E. Here it is. E. When you see the sound, I want you to point. E. Excellent. Well done. Your turn. Off we go. Magnetise. E. Excellent. E. Good work, children. Well done. Fabulous. Let's read some words using our new E sound. Special friend, Fred Talk, read the word. My turn. E. Eve. Eve. First syllable. E. E. Eve. Second syllable. Ng. Ng. Ning. Word. Evening. Special friends. And E. Ease. These. Your turn, children. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. First syllable. Del. E. A word. Delete. Delete. When you rub something out or you delete it on a computer. Delete. First syllable. Eve. Ng. Evening. Evening. Eve. These. Theme. First syllable. Com, second syllable. Pleat, whole word. Complete. Well done, children. You've read lots of words using your new E sound. Let's read some words using sounds that you already know. Special friend, Fred Talk, read the word. White. Sh and ow. Sh, out. Shout. Art. Art. Start. I. Ice. Cries. Your turn. Special friend, first syllable. Whole word. Tissue. Cries. Start. Shout. Haunt. Ed. Whole word. Haunted. Well done, children. Brilliant work. Let's thread in our head. Fred Talk. Read the word when I push it forward. Tissue. Cries. Start. Shout. Haunted. Brilliant reading. Well done. Let's do it a bit quicker. My turn. Shout. Haunted. Cries. Sit up straight, magnetise. Off we go. Super speedy reading. Excellent. Alien time. Special friend, Fred Talk, read the alien word. Pleat. Yound. Gry. Strew. Snoo. What a lot of nonsense. Well done, children. Really hard working today. Today, you learned your new sound of E. Let's do a challenge. Let's put E back in the pack. When you see it, I want you to point. Off you go. E! Super work. Well done. I want you to go on to the website, like I always say, and I'd like you to print off Miss Catley's Phonics Challenge for your E sounds. Practice your handwriting and unjumble the spellings. Remember your alien words and your tricky red words. See you soon. Have fun.